Hi, sophomores. My name is Ms. Mack, and I'm one of the math teachers here at Hybrid High, and I teach 11th grade. So I'm really excited to talk to you about what's next in your math education. If you are currently in Algebra 2, then you will move on to pre-calculus next year, and that will be your job. If you are in if you're in geometry right now, then you will move into Algebra 2. And in Algebra 2, we actually have 3 different things that you can do. 3 different ways that you can engage with your Algebra 2 curriculum. So the first one is regular. If you choose nothing, this is the one that you'll opt into, and that is just general Algebra 2. The second option, which can be done in all of my classes, is called honors, and it's similar to the honors classes where you've had in the past, which are you opt into increased rigor, and problems maybe are a little bit harder or more extensive. You opt into the honors section each week. And then the final one is called Accelerated Algebra 2. And this is a course that we created for students who are really looking to move really quickly in their math class. And they really love math. These are students who are someone who really wants to commit to learning math as quickly as possible and move a little bit faster in that class. So it's really good if you're someone who's always flying through the notes and you don't really need a lot of help, then that might be a class for you. It does move very quickly. So if you're someone who sometimes needs to take a little bit more time, it might not be the best class for you. It is an all honors course, which means that everyone in that class would be taking honors. So that means that I'll be expecting a lot more from those students. In general, it will be the same Algebra 2 class curriculum. It includes a little bit of pre-calculus and does afford you the opportunity to potentially take pre-calculus over the summer next year and take AP calculus in the fall of your senior year. So really what that looks like is these are students who are really trying to get to AP calculus, and they're excited to do so. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. I just want to put out there that I treat all of my classes equally. I love everyone in my classes, and I don't want you to think oh, if I don't apply to Accelerated, Ms. Mack won't like me. That's totally not true. And so I just wanted to give you that opportunity to apply if you wish. After you apply, so you're going to fill out your application on Ms. Joali's Canvas page. It's a Google form. It looks like this, maybe. It looks like this. And you're going to tell me why you want to do it, what makes you excited about it. You're going to talk about when you've had a strong work ethic, how you've demonstrated your math abilities, and your perseverance. And then that will be the application. After you apply, Ms. Joali, Ms. Velasquez, and I will have a conversation about your application, about how you've done in math class this year, how you did in math class freshman year, and we'll be able to choose a class of students from that list. If you have any questions at all, I am happy to answer them. I'm going to include my Zoom link so that you can come to a session on Tuesday. I think that's probably today by the time you're watching this video. And then I'm happy to answer any of your questions so that you can apply as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Stay safe. I love you. Talk to you guys soon.